The legal studies minor is a collection of classes that are all obviously law-related.
A broad-based understanding of law and the legal system in the United States.
The legal studies minor is an excellent way for students to complement a degree in a different program.
You don't actually need to be pre-law to have a legal studies minor.
It's applicable to any student because law is applicable to all of us in our everyday lives.
The minor covers a wide variety of topics,
including survey courses of our system of law, employment law, contracts.
There are 3 required courses and then 3 elective courses.
Students can pick and choose those electives to complement the required courses.
There's just a lot of different options and you can kind of pick and choose what you want to make up your minor.
I think the very best thing about this minor is that it gives our students a set of tools to use in a variety of different circumstances in their lives.
It's really nice because you're exposed to how relevant the courses are. Every day we're engaging in contracts and sales, whether we know it or not.
So knowing the law can help you run a business efficiently, work for a business efficiently, know your rights, solve problems.
The minor has also taught me a lot about critical thinking skills.
Just learning to think logically, be able to defend yourself in situations and things like that.
All of the faculty in the legal studies minor program come from industry.
After graduating Michigan State University's law school, I came to Big Rapids where I clerked for 2 of the circuit court judges. After working for the judges, I practiced privately for 5 years at a small firm.
Graduated from the University of San Francisco School of Law in California. I practiced law in the San Francisco Bay Area for a number of years.
My background in law includes 10 years as a private practicing attorney.
Coming into the classroom now and having that background and having all of that context and being able to provide a large number of examples of the types of issues that our students will often encounter out there in the real world, I think has ultimately benefited the students.
We can bring those experiences into the classroom. It's not just theory that is being taught, it's the experiences that we've had.
I think the student-faculty relationship is excellent.
I absolutely love the faculty-student relationship here at Ferris.
They're really there for you to help you with things beyond college and also your classes. They're very understanding and they want to see you succeed.
Always willing to help out when you don't understand the material.
We do events with our students. We recently went to Lansing to visit the Michigan Supreme Court.
There's a lot of engagement with the law faculty, both in the classroom and outside of the classroom.
I would suggest the legal studies minor to anybody because it's going to be a great thing to put not only on your resume, not only an additional thing to add to your bachelor's degree, but it's also going to help you out in the real world.
The law being a fabric of our society, having a better understanding of that is going to lead you to professional success.
My legal studies minor will help me after graduation because when I'm getting hired, companies will be able to see that I do have knowledge beyond just business and public relations, but I have knowledge of the law as well.
It helps you think about and know the relevant law towards everyday interactions.
Did you buy a textbook while you've entered into a contract for the sale of goods? Are you an employee? Well, there's laws that are applicable to you.
It affects our daily lives, regardless of what you do professionally or personally. You're impacted by the law. The best thing about the legal studies minor is the applicability of it to the real world.
No matter what your aspirations are as for career aspirations, that this will be of benefit to you.
All of our students, whether or not they're interested in pursuing a career in the legal realm, will encounter legal issues in their personal lives and their professional lives. And this minor really provides them with a comprehensive understanding of what our legal system looks like.